Good morning, everyone. Good morning, my viewers. Good morning, lovers of cancers. Yes, it is Mr. Chooks once again. I'm here to give us an update. Please, if this is your first time of coming on our way, I am Mr. Chooks of Cancers Farm, and here is my farm where I rear catfishes, and here is the broiler house. So the fishes you are seeing before you now is they completed 3 months yesterday, being on the 24th of April. So today is on the 25th of April. So I decided to change their water today. Normally I do change water sometimes at night, but because of this update, I just have to do this in the day. So that's it. This is what we have. This is the first sort. 3 months from fingerlings. 3 months from fingerlings. If you have been following us, you will know when these species came in. So this is what it is, and this is the second one. Followed by the other one at the other edge. Though they are trying, but they are not really what is expected of them. This is it. Here we cannot get 600 gram. If there is 600 gram here, it's going to be few. $400, $300. They are not really what is expected of them. But I pray that by 6 months, I will be able to get my results. So here is it. 3 months from fingerlings. And here is second to the last. Here is second to the last. 3 months from fingerlings. Here's the last one. All right. So they are not really giving me joy, but they are not bad. That is it. To me, there is a level of expectation which I needed, but they are not bad. So that is it. Their growth is not that bad, but they are not really giving me what I needed. So here is it. I brought out these two from the pond. They are among the big ones. I don't know if they can give me a kg or 800 gram. As from, I think this should be around 800 gram to 1 kg. Yes, between 800 gram to 1 kg. So this is my scale. As you can see, I have zeroed it. So though I'm about to scale this one, but I cannot capitalize on this one because they are just few in the pond. If this one now is up to 1 kg, the rest 800 gram, 700, 600, and that. So they are just few in the pond. So we cannot capitalize on it. This is not what is going to bring the profit. Let's see. Number one. Okay. It's actually not up to a kg. It's 900 gram. It's 900 gram. So let's try this. Okay. This one is complete a kg. Almost almost passing a kg. So this one is a kg. Why this one is 900. So that is what I have for now. At least I have one that is up to a kg. So that is it. Okay. Thank you very much. Remember, Statutes of Council Farm. Please, if there is anything you want to understand about how far we have gone through this result, I consider it to be poor, but it is not bad. So if there's anything you want to understand about how far we have gone so far, please, you can reach me on 080 678 65115. 080 678 65115. Just contact me on WhatsApp, drop your question, or you can give me a call. I will respond to you. Thank you all very much. Remain blessed.